and welcome back to my channel. In this video we have a, what is that?
His FAQs.
A few minutes later. Is he done? Is that one yours? Where's mine? Go give me one.
God forbid.
And hurry up, this camera dies. Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we have a yarn haul from Premier Yarns. I pretty much just kept it to two different types of yarn. I got Parfait Chunky in a bunch of colors and the Premier Chenille Basix yarn that's a lot like, what's it called? Burnout Blanket. This is my first yarn haul of 2025 and I still have a lot of yarn, but I was really getting down to it on like some colors. I was completely out of like teddy bear yarn. I'm down to like one skein of lime green. I was completely out of like pale yellowish yarns. And then with Joann's being like out of business and with Michael's not having the Sweet Snuggles light, like I felt like Premier was my only option. Not that it's a bad option because that's like where a lot of my yarn is like from right now, but it's just usually more expensive and like takes longer to get. So I did a big restock. So I've got like almost $400 worth of yarn right here in this big 24 by 18 by 18 box. So we will get started. I don't specifically remember how many of each color I got, but I bought it in pairs at the very least. So some level of either 2, 4, or 6 for some colors. I think black and white were the only ones that I got 6 of, but yeah. So this is Premier Basics in the color Caribbean. It's still in the bag, but we're going to leave it in the bag for putting it away purposes. A lot of this I can grab myself from here, and then when I can't reach, you just hand it to me. I got Janessa here helping with this video. I've got at least 2 skeins of this Chenille Basics in the color Lilac. I like this purple. I don't think they had this color last time I ordered this yarn because I feel like I ordered just a good amount of this yarn when it first came out, and they had just like a limited selection of colors, but I feel like their color selection this time was a lot. I was out of all lime green and the Parfait Chunky lime green, which is color Key Lime. So I got 4 of these. This is like a stable frog color or alien color. I got at least 4 of these. This is back to Parfait Chunky still, and it's teddy bear. I was completely out of this. I really like this color for like, you know, bears, otters, things like that. It's a good, nice, like medium brown. This was a new color to me also, Steel Cut Oats. I feel like this is a nice beige color because I don't remember the name of the color. I think it might be sand, but I feel like sand borders on like kind of goldish, whereas this is like a little more neutral. It's almost the level of sand and like Burnout Blanket, but with more of a like almond color vibe. So like a little darker than almond, I guess is what I'm trying to say. But I really like it, and I got 4 of those because I feel like that's going to be a nice neutral to have. I also have to go through these against inventory when we're done recording this because my box came and one flap was open, and so that's not really reassuring. I definitely did not get this color last time. This is Hot Coral and I got 2 of them and I really like it. Peach. This color is really pretty. I was really excited to see it. I really like the oranges and the pinks and stuff like that. I think that'll be like nice for some flowers or like turtles or something. And like check out this color. This is Cotton Candy. So far since that like light beige, these have all been Premier Basics Chenille, if I haven't said. But I got 2 of these, like pretty. I feel like the colors making, or the light's making them look a little lighter on screen, but like they're very nice colors. Oh, these are 2 different yellows. I got hella light yellow because and this is banana yellow in the Chenille Basics because it's been like out of stock, and the Sweet Snuggles light, which I really like, and like I said, Joann's is gone, so like I can't get my hands on like Burnout Blanket super easily in a lot of colors because I did that at Joann's primarily. My Walmart stock is like super limited, so I've been literally dying for this shade of yellow. Like literally dying. Oh, don't let that get in your smoothie. Oh, I almost did it. I knocked my moat. Definitely a new color to me in this type of yarn. It's Periwinkle Purple, which is like kind of a light blue. I can't tell. I guess it's giving light purple. On the screen, I feel like it's giving light blue. What?
You know the mean periwinkle purple?
What?
You know the mean periwinkle purple?
I do not.
It's funny. You should look it up.
Okay, apparently there's a meme about periwinkle purple or called periwinkle purple or something to do with something that I'm apparently too old to know about. So I've been instructed to look it up. Sorry if it's weird. Great.
I'll show you after.
Shell. I really like this color. I did this as like a turtle belly, but in the Parfait Chunky. And then it's just like a nice, also like light orangish color. I don't know. I think it's pretty. Here is light yellow and Parfait Chunky. This is called Yellow. Clever name. I got 2 of these Seafoam Greens and the Premier Basics. It's a really nice color too. I don't really have a lot to say about it. It'll make cute goblins or something of the like. Hibiscus, yeah. Loving this color. This color's super pretty. I vibe with the pinks. It reminds me of like pink flamingos. What color is this? Caramel, I believe. I got 4 caramels. This is another staple brown that I really like. And again, otters and monkeys. Like, I use this up fast. In fact, I'm kind of shocked I only got 4 because I feel like I need 6. But I also got like 4 teddy bears. So maybe that was my logic there. Hella black. Enough said. It is my preference to have this in the Premier Basix Chenille. Like, out of the 2, I really prefer the Premier Basix Chenille. I just like the color choices in the Parfait Chunky. Which, don't get me wrong, from time to time, that really has its like purpose if I'm trying to make something like super soft and like plush feeling. But like, I don't mind the feeling of this or like burlap blanket. And this one-stranded incorporates with the burlap blanket, whereas I have to hold the Parfait Chunky double to get it to like be like the same thickness so I could use it all in one project. So I like that this is like incorporates better. And I will say, since the last time I bought this, they must have been changed how they're doing it, because I feel like these strands seem a little thicker, because technically I felt like this was just ever so slightly thinner. It doesn't make holes when I'm using it with like a size 8 hook and I'm using the burlap blanket with a size 8 hook. Like, you know, it's not that much of a difference, but this does work up a little bit thinner and a little bit smaller, I feel like. But it seems a little bit thicker, so I don't know if I'll still have that like kind of vibe. Mint, really like this green. In fact, I'm kind of wondering why I only got 2 of these also, because I feel like I'd use this more than the Caribbean. Mustard, I've also been out of mustard for like a hot minute. What color is this? Okay, it's literally called mustard. Yeah, like it, need it. Sunflowers. 6 white, I've said, basic staple color. Ugh, I can't read. The other Caribbean, I do like this color. I just feel like I like the mint better, and I feel like I would have used more mint than this, because that's basically like only having 1 skein of mint, like a burlap blanket size skein, because those are 300 gram balls and these are 150 gram balls. That's why, if I didn't say already, I buy these in 2 packs too. This is sand. See what I mean? It's like kind of gold versus that, which is more beige. And then we have mushroom. Mushroom, this is like a good neutral color. I used the beige for like a decent amount. I feel like, maybe it wasn't. I was going to say, I feel like that might have been the noses to cows I just made. But even if it wasn't, it would look good. And then some bubblegum pink, because you can't have too much bubblegum pink. And now I'm going to look at my inventory list, my order list, whatever it's called. Shipping list, you know, packing slip, whatever that is. Because I feel like that could be everything, but also maybe it's not. Okay, 4 key lime, 4 teddy bear, 2 yellow, 4 steel cut oats, 2 cotton candy, 2 dusty lilac, 2 periwinkle. Yeah, just 2 mint. That's disappointing. 4 banana, 4 shell, 2 peach. I also kind of feel like I should have got more peach too now looking at it, because I really like that color. 2 hot coral, 4 Caribbean, 2 kiwi. That's what the lime green and the Chenille Basics is called. It's called kiwi. So it's key lime in the Parfait Chunky, and then kiwi and the Chenille Basics. 2 bubblegum, 2 hibiscus, 2 seafoam, 4 caramel. That is the brown. That's like the burlap blanket. 2 sand, 2 mushroom, 4 mustard, 6 black, 6 white. Yeah, so that is everything, and that was everything that was in there. So I guess we did get our whole order. And I said it was almost $400 worth of yarn, and I lied. It was $306.70. Free shipping. And yeah, so that's with tax. They're $306. And yeah, this is gonna be all for this video, I think. I don't know what's around this. Crochet with me's maybe? Yarn haul, or not yarn hauls, pattern hauls, something is around this video. So go watch another video if you'd like to watch another video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.